Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Java in Windows 7, 8, 10 and also in Mac. Also I'm gonna tell you how to set a path, and let me tell you guys, it is so easy. So hello everyone, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, I am Vaibhav Said. Welcome you all in Electronics Technocrat family. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, before I started, if you haven't watched my introduction to Java video, then go and watch it now. I will provide you link in the description. And if you watch already, then in that video I explain who implemented Java language. So if you know the answer, comment me in the comment box. So let's start today's video. So guys, go to Google Baba and type JDK download. JDK download and hit enter. So guys, this is the official website of Oracle, and I will suggest download from official website only. So open this link, click on this JDK download, scroll down. So here it is available for Linux as well as for Mac and also for Windows. Now before downloading, check whether your PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. So for that, go to My Computer or this PC, right click, go to Properties. Ayyo, it is too slow. Yeah, and check the system type. So mine is 64-bit, so I will install 64-bit version. So this is for 64-bit, so I will download through this link. So just click on this link and it will start downloading. Here you can see. But 32-bit version is not available, so search like this, JDK download 32-bit version and hit enter. And again open this official website of Oracle. Scroll down. Here it is not visible, okay. Go back. So for that, search it like this, Java JDK 32-bit version, and this is again Oracle official link. Scroll down below and search it. So yes, now it is showing for 32-bit version. So if you are downloading 32-bit, then download from this link. Okay, if you are not having account, then create it. Just provide your basic detail and that's it. If you have account, then no problem. Once you submit your mail ID, within few seconds you will receive one mail from Oracle. Just click on that link which Oracle are providing and your download will start automatically, or else click again this download link once your account is created. I am again repeating, if your account is not there, then create one account, Oracle account, and if your account is there, then no issue. So guys, you can see here Java is downloaded successfully. You can see here. Now just open it. Click on right click. And run as administrator. And then it is very simple, just you have to do next. Click on next then again next, and it is showing progress bar, so it will started downloading, sorry, installing. So finally guys, it is completely installed. Just close. That's it. Okay, now let me show you how to set the path. But till now, everyone done? Okay, do it. I'm waiting. Do it fast. Done guys? Okay, great. Now to set up a path, go to C drive. It is damn easy. Go to C drive. Then program files. Here it is. Click on it and then search for Java folder. So here it is. Open, and here you can see JDK and JRE, both files are present. That means we downloaded JDK perfectly. If Java folder is not present in program files, then go back and check in program files x86. Okay, if in case it is not available in program files. Then here go to Java, go to JDK, go to bin, and this path we have to copy. Remember guys, this path we have to copy. Now to paste this path, go to this PC, right click here, go to properties, it is a little bit slow. Okay, then go to advanced setting, and then go to environment variables, and here it is system variable. Search here path variable, just search for P, path. So here it is, double click and open it, then go to new and paste here that path. Just paste it and then enter, then hit OK, OK, and OK, and that's all. Now let us check whether Java is completely successfully installed in our PC or not. So for that, open a CMD and just type Java and hit enter. So responding, so that means Java is successfully installed in your PC. Or also you. So this was the small tutorial about how to download and install Java. Hope you got it. Still you have any doubt, comment me. I will definitely reply your queries. You can join us through Slack and Telegram, link in the description. So go and check it out. Thank you.
Hey you! Yes you! If you like our video, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future updates.